This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Emanuel. This custom-built, ranch-style home, located in the Cypress Creek community of Smithfield, showcases craftsmanship and quality throughout. This home has been meticulously maintained and has a fabulous open floor plan with an upgraded kitchen that opens to a large breakfast area, sunroom, flex space, and a great yard for entertaining. It also has a large den/family room with a cathedral ceiling and a stately dining room. The downstairs owner's retreat has a large walk-in closet and a luxury spa-like bathroom. The home has upgraded hardwood floors throughout the lower level. Entertaining will be a breeze with the tall ceilings, and the built-in surround sound system will add ambience to your event. Upstairs, for there is a fourth bedroom, great for privacy or maybe even a media room. This home offers incredible attic space and storage throughout that is a hard find. The community activities will keep